Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum Assalam.
Okay, brothers and sisters, I welcome you. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما. I hope that whatever we have discussed so far and you have understood the terms, basic terms. We haven't learned many things yet, but Alhamdulillah, whatever. Do you have any questions before we proceed further? If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. So, brothers and sisters, as we were discussing about noun and the classification of nouns. Today, we will discuss in detail the page in front of you that tells us that the noun has initially three classifications. And in those three classifications, or in these three classifications, inshallah, we will learn different types and further divisions of noun. Say, for example, today we are going to discuss about the definite and the indefinite noun, means the proper noun and the common noun. Okay. There may be different words, but we have to use proper words because Alhamdulillah, we have got this book scanned. We have purchased the edition of 2015, and the one I shared with you previously, that was, I think, published back in means the initial or first decade of the 20th century, 21st century. But now, well, whatever the edition was available, we have purchased it, and Alhamdulillah, we have got it scanned. But if you think that the words, they have not been it's translated properly, so we have to understand them and we have to bring with new words. So the first type of the noun is al-ma'rifatu wan-nakiratu, means the proper noun and the common noun. So when we'll discuss the proper noun, there are different types of proper noun. So the further division is over there. Then we'll discuss about al-mudhakkaru wal-mu'annathu. So we must be also focusing and giving emphasis to the words they are means used in Arabic. We have to remember and memorize them. I tell my students and participants that al-ilmu bit-tadhakkuri means ilm or knowledge is with memorization. So you have to memorize different things. Okay. And then al-mufrad wal-muthanna wal-jama'. So there are numerous details. So the first topic we are going to discuss today, that is al-ma'rifatu wan-nakiratu. Okay. When we talk about al-ma'rifa and an-nakira, okay. So before I tell you over here, let me give you a very simple example of common noun. Means common noun is share, means common means that is given in common to a class of people. Okay. Means that is shared. Common means shared by all. Shared by all the people, they fall in that category or in that class. So that is what a common. A man is a name that is given common to, say, for example, the age bracket 22 onwards. Okay. 20 plus man means this is a common name shared, but there may be different names of people. They have their particular names, specific names. Okay. But the common name is shared by that class of people is known as common noun. So this common means shared by all. Likewise, a city, Mumbai is a city, Karachi is a city. Karachi is a specific name or particular name. Okay. But city is a name given to every city in the world. That is different than the town. Okay. Likewise, a book, any book. There can be Islamic book, there can be IT book, there can be scientific book, book on the subject of physics. So there should be a particular name and a common name that is shared by all types of books. That is a book. So it's very common. Likewise, a horse. Horse may have a specific or particular noun, but the common name given to all the horses is a horse. So that's shared by all. So this is common. That is not a specific noun. Likewise, a student. Likewise, a school. Likewise, table, chair, laptop, anything like that. So that is a common noun. In Arabic, we call it an-nakiratu. An-nakira, that is a common noun. And if we talk in contrast, the opposite of common is a proper noun. A proper noun, a particular noun. Means a proper name or proper name given to a person, a place, a thing. That is a proper noun, or that is a particular noun. So that is totally different from common noun. So common means, I repeat, what do we mean by common? Means common name that can be given to a person, a place, or thing, but that does not indicate any particular person, place, or thing, any specific place or thing. Okay, that is why it's a common noun. But when we talk about a proper noun, that is a proper name of a person, place, or thing, and we are going to discuss that. Now, in English, if there is a city, city is a common noun. It cannot be made proper. But while you discuss city in further discussion or in coming paragraph while you're writing, to make that city particular, or you want to refer to that city you have been talking about, then you are supposed to use the definite article, that is the. Sometimes it is pronounced the, and sometimes the, like the city. Okay. So then you means the is added to refer to that particular city, or the is referred with a noun that is a particular noun you have been talking about, any laptop, any book, any office, any person, any act, even any law even. So then you use the. Now in Arabic, there is a way to make a the proper noun or a particular noun from a common noun. So I will let you know what is that way. So up to now, the discussion, I have been discussing the points. I'm summarizing it before we move further. We have been talking about al-ma'rifatu wa-nakiratu. A proper noun in Arabic is known as al-ma'rifatu, and the common noun is known as an-nakiratu in Arabic. So I talked about a nakira, means a name that is shared by a class, same class of persons, places, or things. Like I told you about man, city, book, horse, student, school, etc., etc. So that is a common, means that is shared by that class of people, or things, or even places. But when we talk about a proper noun, that is a proper name given to a person, place, or thing. So that is known as al-ma'rifatu in Arabic. So this is the discussion. This is chapter 2, ad-darth thani, an-nakiratu al-ma'rifatu. An-nakira means common noun, and al-ma'rifa means a proper noun. Any questions up to now? Then I'll move forward. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Yes, I have one question.
Please.
When you were explaining proper nouns, you mentioned you're talking about the horse and the city. I didn't get the part, that part you were explaining. I didn't get that.
I said this thing that in Arabic, we have a proper method to form a proper noun from a common noun. Means we can form al-ma'rifatu from an-nakiratu, right? This is the thing. I said that once you are discussing about something or some person or place in a discussion, or you're writing something, now you discussed a noun previously, okay? So to refer back to that noun or that person or place or thing, so in English, the particular means a definite article that is used to refer the previously referred noun, but that does not make that noun proper noun, but you are referring to the previous noun. But in Arabic, there is a way to make al-ma'rifatu from an-nakira. Is that clear, sister?
Okay, so what you're trying to say is if we add the in front of a common noun, it
Mhm.
becomes al-ma'rifa.
Yes, means the point, again, I repeat, the point is this: in Arabic, we have a particular method or proper method to make some common noun a proper noun. And I'm going to tell you what is the way. Let me repeat in English. Like I'm saying, I'm telling you about a book. Okay. Last week I read a book. Now I'm talking about a book. I'm not giving it its particular name. But in coming sentences, I will be saying the book was on the subject of morphology. The book is written by an author based in America. The book is very informative. I would suggest you to read the book. The name of the book is. So in that way, when we talk about a common noun and in discussion that is followed in coming sentences, to mention or refer back that noun, we use the. But I was saying that a rajulun, that is an-nakira, can we make it uh, proper noun? Yes, there is a way, and we'll discuss that. So initially the discussion that has revolved around the common noun and the proper noun. And in Arabic, the common noun is al-nakira, al-nakiratu, and the proper noun is known as al-ma'rifatu. Any questions?
Okay, thank you.
So, brothers and sisters, this is what a common noun, that is an-nakiratu, means a common name given to, means that is not a particular or a specific name given to a person, place, or a thing. That is what a common means, shared by all. Now we are coming to a specific or means proper noun. And what is that? Al-ma'rifatu. Al-ma'rifatu is a proper noun. What does it mean? It means it indicates or tells about or talks about a particular person, place, or thing. Okay. So that is why it is known as al-ma'rifatu. Okay. Now, what are the types of al-ma'rifa? Means how can we understand marifa? In what manner we can understand marifa? Before coming to examples, let me tell you uh, types. Then I will discuss one by one. There are 5 types that is mentioned in front of you. Number 1, I'm also going to underline them. That is what? Alamun. Okay, alamun, alamun. That is a proper name given to a person. Like Jasran is a proper noun. Sufia is a proper noun. Faisal is a proper noun. Murtaza is a proper noun. Word Allah is alam. That is to given to the name to Allah, the creator of the universe. Okay. So alam is the first type. The second type, ismul isharati. Okay, that is ismun isharatun, but it is ismul isharati. Over here there is a mistake. Ismul isharati. That is a demonstrative pronoun, but the details are not given over here. I am going to show you some of the means ismul isharati in from the Quran. Actually, in Ismul Isharati, we cannot understand them properly unless we discuss Al-Mudhakkar wal-Muannath. Okay? Because in Arabic, when we refer to a person, and we have a demonstrative pronoun for a person, for a male, for Al-Mufrad, it is different. Like Al means that is what? Hada. If you're talking about two, Hadani. If you're talking more than two, Ulaik. And for female, like dhanika, okay, tilka. These are the words. The hadhi is used. And for mufrad, for muthanna, for jama, they are different. Again, there is another means a classification. Ismul isharati, that is used for indicating a person who is near, and ismul isharati, that is used for indicating a person that is at distance. So different words are used. So we'll learn in detail, inshallah, and you'll come to know all the very relevant points about that topic. But at the moment, just giving you example from the Quran and telling you what are the words they are used as ismul isharati. Okay. Over here, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ. ذَلِكَ is used with the before the noun, that is al-kitabu. This is ismul isharati. I'm not going to discuss the details that what is the sentence structure at the moment, what is the extending of that word at the moment, but just to let you know. Okay, then we are going further. Ulaika, that is ismul isharati. Again, ulaika is over there, ismul isharati. Again, ulaik is over there, and I will let you know different examples from Quran. Okay, for the sake of understanding, giving you more examples from the other book, just to give you the basic introduction, and inshallah you will learn in very all the details will be shared with you. This is ismul isharati. Okay, now let me give you example from the Quran, because our focus is to learn the usage in the Quran. Now you see, these are the, okay, let me minimize it. Oh yes, you see, these are the verses of Quran. In them ismul isharati has been used, like a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Qul hadhihi sabili. Hadhihi is ismul ishara. Tilka ayatullahi. Tilka is ismul ishara. Okay. Tilka asharatun kamila. This is ismul ishara. Likewise, dhalika al-yawm al-haq. Dhalik is ismul ishara. So what was I telling you? I was just telling you the types of al-ma'rifatu, that is a proper noun. Alamun, alam means a name given to person, a specific name, proper noun. Okay. Number two, ismul isharati, that is a demonstrative noun. Say for example, that demonstrates something, indicates a person, indicate one, two means muthanna and jama, and indicates about what? A male and a female differently. Indicates a male who is not at distance, who is near, and indicates a person who is at distance. So different words are used. The second type. Number three is zamir. Zamir means pronoun, and there are 14 different types of zamir. Like if for wahid mudhakkar ghaib, huwa, for muthanna mudhakkar ghaib, huma, for jama mudhakkar ghaib, hum, for wahid muannas ghaib, that is hiya, then muthanna muannas ghaib, huma, for muthanna jama, muthanna muannas ghaib jama, hunna. Likewise, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. Nah means ana wa nahnu. So these are what? Zamair. They are also part of ismul means, that is what? Al-ma'rifatu. So we are just discussing the initial discussion. That is the very initial discussion. We are not going to discuss in detail. We'll be discussing in detail that how ismul means a common noun is going to be made a proper noun, and the exercises are going to be given to you today. Fourth one is ismul mawsul. That is a relative pronoun. Like we say, I met the person who was addressing in Arabic. Now who? That is what a relative pronoun. In Arabic, what is the relative pronoun? Means what are the example from Quran? If I give you example from Quran, like the first example is over there. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Alladhina yu'minuna bil ghaib. Alladhina is what? A relative pronoun, that is ismul mawsul. Okay? Ismul mawsul. Alladhina, alladhani, allati. Different types, and we'll discuss in detail. Why we are not discussing the details right now? The very reason I'm repeating, and definitely I'm going to ask you as well. Please remember the point. Until we discuss, unless we discuss mudhakkar and muannas in various forms, we are not in a position to understand all the details we are discussing now. So after discussing initially this topic, we'll be going through al-mufrad, muthanna and jama, al-mudhakkar, al-muannath, and then inshallah the topics will become clearer for you for understanding purposes. Then the fifth type is given mu'arraf billam. As I was telling you that there is a way to form al-ma'rifatu from an-nakiratu, and what is the way? To bring alif lam before a noun. Bring alif lam before noun. Like kitabun. If you bring al-kitabu, that becomes what? Proper noun. Now that they're like farasun. If you bring alif lam before it, al-farasun. Kursiyun. Alif lam al-kursiyu. Right? Now alif lam, that makes a common noun a proper noun. This is a way. And when you bring alif lam, then the tanween is dropped, only zamma is left, or fatah is left, or kasra is left. Like dhalikal kitab, it was al-kit, means kitabun. Now because of alif lam, it is dhalikal kitabu. Alhamdu, it was hamdun, but because of alif lam, it has become alhamdu. Right? Any questions up to now before we move further? Yes. If you have any questions, please ask. Okay. Yes, who is there? I cannot understand the name. Yes, please. Go ahead.
Assalamu
Rahmatullah.
Yeah, okay, it's Bashir. There's just a mistake that I have used a certain device that I have been with another name. That's why it's showing up Siddiq.
Brother, your voice is broken. I'm sorry, I cannot understand you. Can you, if there's problem in internet, can you send me message in writing?
Okay, fine. I'll do that right inshallah.
Okay, please. Okay. Now my question from Faisal Nadeem. Yes, Faisal, what have you understood from the discussion?
Assalamu alaikum. You have we have discussing about al-ma'rufu al-nakirata and different types of proper noun, demonstrative, proper noun, pronoun. So we have not discussed in detail about alamun, ismul asharatun, but I have understood a little bit that ismu isharatun demonstrate between differentiate between male and female and singular and plural. And so
okay. Okay, very good, brother. Yes. Okay, now let me ask Shazib. Shazib, can you hear me? Shazib? Oh, yes, Shazib, please. Give us a brief means a discussion or brief summary of the discussion. Yes, go ahead. Yes, Shazib. Okay, we cannot hear Shazib. There may be some problem. Asif. Asif, can you discuss or give the summary?
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
We have discussed about the nouns, al-ma'rifatu and nakiratu, and some types of it, pronoun, and we have discussed how we can change a common noun into a proper noun by using al.
Good. Very good. So, Asif, this is your first class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I joined late.
Okay, so will you be means attending only Thursday class and you will be listening to the recording of Monday's class, right?
No, sir. I will try to take it on Monday as well. I have university classes, but I will manage it. Will take it in library, inshallah, on
Very good.
Monday as well.
Yes, because once you are online, you're taking classes, you are actively involved. And when the questions are going to be asked you, definitely that will be more beneficial. So look forward to having you in all the classes. Very good. Wonderful.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I will ask you again, all the means brothers and sisters. I just give means again summarize the discussion that we are talking about the classification of noun in Arabic, that is ad-nakiratu wal ma'rifatu. In simple terms, ad-nakiratu means a common noun, a name that is given in common to a person, place, or thing. This is the simple definition of common noun. Okay, ad-nakiratu. And when we talk about al-ma'rifatu is a proper noun. Means proper, first of all, means a proper noun means a proper name of a person, a proper name of a city, a proper name of a country, a proper name of a female, a proper name of anything, a proper name of means any proper means any noun name given to anything. Any noun is known as proper noun, means that is a specific one. That is not a common noun. That is, that noun is name is given specifically to that person, place, or thing. Like Pakistan is a country. This is the only name given to one country in the world. The United States of America, America is name given to one country. Likewise, India, Indonesia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So these are the proper names. Likewise, if we talk about cities, Karachi, Mumbai, Jeddah, Riyadh, they are the proper names. Okay. So then I told you about the types of proper noun, and I will emphasize on this point that you are supposed to remember them in Arabic. The terminology is recommended to be remembered in Arabic. Like alamun, alam means a name that is name of a person, like Murtaza is a person, Khalid is a person, Aishatu is a name of person, name of place, Pakistan, India, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, America, England. These are the names of something, okay? That means places. So alam is a specific or proper name. Then ismul isharati, I told you hada, hadani, hatani, ulaik. These are ismul isharati. Well, we'll discuss in just you have to memorize that ismul isharati is a part of al-ma'rifatu. Zamair or zamirun, that is pronouns. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. We'll discuss in detail them. Then ismul mosul like alladhi, alladhani, alladhina. This is what the example of ismul mosul. We'll discuss in that. Just at this point of time, remember that these are the types of al-ma'rifah. Simple as this. Okay. And then we have got the last mu'arraf bil-lam, means a noun that is made proper by adding alif lam to it. Like farasun, al-farasu. When alif lam comes before any noun, tanween is dropped. What is tanween? Like zammatain, farasun, farasan. That is what? Fathatain, farasin. That is kasratain. So it will be al-farasu or al-farasa or al-farasi, right? Likewise, al-kitabu. That was kitabun or kitabun or kitabin. Al-kitabu, al-kitaba, al-kitabi, right? So alif lam, that is mu'arraf bil lam. What is the way? The one way we know that al-nakiratu can be converted into al-ma'rifatu by adding alif lam before it, right? So this is what the discussion on Ma'rifat and Nakira. Now you can see proper noun. The proper noun that is given means that this is two nouns, specifically two types. Uh, we are discussing in detail. That alam and its plural is a'lamun. Okay, a'lam. And what is a'lamun? You don't have to emphasize it plural at the moment because you will learn the plural in proper way. When we talk about Jama' al-Mudhakkar, as-Salim, Jama' Mu'annath, as-Salim, Jama' Taksir, there are different classifications and we'll discuss in detail. So what is the first alam? Alam is a name of a particular person like Khalidun, Aishatu. The name of particular place like Misr, Pakistan. Okay, these are the names of places. That's what alam. Number two, any noun that is an-nakiratu can be made al-ma'rifatu by adding alif lam, that is known as mu'arraf bil lam, like al-kitabu, ar-rasulu, rasulun, ar-rasulu, kitabun, al-kitabu, baytun, home, al-baytu. Now al-bayt, particular home. Al-kitabu, now it has become a particular book. Ar-rasulu is a particular or proper rasul. Waladun means son, or means a boy. Al-waladu, that is what, a particular boy. So these are the examples. Now we have got some exercises. Okay, before going to exercises, my question from you, do you know huruful shamsiyatu wal huruful qamariyatu? Anybody from you?
May I?
Uh-huh.
Sir, in Huruful Kamariya, we do not pronounce, in Huruful Shamsiya, we do not pronounce Lam. And in Huruful Kamariya, we pronounce Lam, like Ash-Shamsu. Lam is silent here. And in Al-Kamaru, we are pronouncing Lam, Al-Kamaru.
Very good, mashallah. Sister Shafaq, good. So the letters al means al-huruf shamsiyatu wal al-huruf al-qamariyatu. Okay, these are the two types of huruf, al-huruf al-qamariyatu and al-huruf shamsiyatu. We divide the alphabet in two types of hurufs. Okay, you can see on page number 17 that the moon letters and the sun letters, like alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, waw, ya. These are the huruful qamariyatu. What does it mean? When we use alif lam before such nouns, like we are starting with bab, al-babu. Okay, babun, then al-babu. Now lam is pronounced. Lam is not silenced. Like if I say jaddatun or jiddatun, okay, jamalun. When we use alif lam, it will be al-jamalu. So lam is not silent. Okay. Likewise, whatever the word that starts with al-huruf al-qamariyatu, if alif lam is placed before them, lam would not be silent. Unlike if there are al-huruf, any word that starts with al-huruf al-shamsiyatu, like what are those? Ta, dal, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen, swad, wad. Now, if alif lam comes before them, like a sister said, shamsun, ash-shamsu, lam is silent. Okay. Likewise, if I say tariqun, but if alif lam, at-tariqu, lam is silent. Understanding? We can have examples, a lot of examples from Quran, like salatun or salatan. If alif lam comes before it, it becomes as-salatu, lam is silent. Alif lam comes before zal, alladhina. Now lam is not silent. Alif lam comes before muttaqin, al-muttaqina. So lam is not silent. Alif lam comes before kitab, al-kitab, lam is not silent. So the lam where it becomes silent when there are huruf shamsiyatu, and lam does not become silent when it is used before huruful qamariyatu. Okay, brothers and sisters, before we end our class, these are the exercises I'm giving you. Now you have to make al-ma'rifatu from al-nakiratu. Okay, you have to add alif lam before these words, like ummun al-ummu, qurrasatun al-qurrasatu. Let me zoom it. Okay, so I would encourage you, if you write these exercises, or even if you get print of these pages and write in front of them, I will be okay with it, but you are supposed to do that. I will ask you, okay? Then likewise in second, arzan, because I told you if there is zammatin, then it will become into zamma. Ghurfatun, alif lam al ghurfatu. Arzan al arza, right? And then you also have to take care of the al huruf al shamshiyatu al qamriyatu. Then these nouns you can see that with end with kasra, wardatin, wardatin, al wardati, okay? Jaridatin, al jaridati. So these are the exercises. I hope 3 of the exercises will be done by you by Monday. Any questions? No questions? Brother Jasran, is everything clear to you?
Yes, Ustad, Alhamdulillah.
Very good. So I hope you will complete the exercises by Monday, inshallah.
Sure, sure.
Yes, Brother Bashir, actually I could not hear your voice. That's why I'm sorry I could not answer you. I love to answer your questions, but there was some disturbance. Yes, do you have any question? Please let me know before the class ends. Okay. So may Allah bless you all, brothers and sisters, and may Allah make it easy for all of us. Inshallah, we'll be meeting on Monday, and I hope that you'll complete the classes, inshallah. And Brother Bashir, if I cannot answer your question, please send me through WhatsApp. I will definitely answer your question. Don't worry about that. Whoever feels to ask anything, you're most welcome. I would just request you that this is the Lisan Ul Quran, the language of Quran. So please attend all the classes on time. Inshallah, Allah will bless you. And the reward is unimaginable. And share these videos with those people who have interest to learn Lisan Ul Quran. See you inshallah on Monday. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.